you have a personal account, but you wanted more data, you wanted more options. So what you do, you change it into a professional account. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change from your personal account to a professional account. But before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump to my phone and let me show you how you can switch from your personal account to a professional account. Let's go. Alright, first of all, open up your Instagram account. So currently I'm using personal account and I want to switch it to a professional Instagram account. How do I do it? Click on the bottom right, which is your own personal profile picture. Then click on top right, the three lines, which is the burger icon. And then you scroll all the way down. You should be able to see for professionals. Click on account type and tools. Click on that. So you can see there's a few options here. Switch to professional account. I want to switch to professional account. Why do you want to switch to professional account? You have data, you can link to Meta Business Suite, where you can manage it through computer and things like that. So these are quite interesting, quite good to have. Okay, so you switch to professional account, then follow step by step. Get more tools and switch for free. Okay, you can access insights, you can run ads, you can get paid. So click on next. So for example, I'm an entrepreneur. All right, switch to professional account. Alright, so now there's two different options. One is for creator or one is for business. So if you are using Instagram account as for company, you should put it as business. But for me, as I'm a creator, so I should put it in creator. So I just put it creator and I click next. Alright, you can see here there's professional dashboard and etc. Okay, so you can to check whether you are using a professional account or not, just click on the burger icon again and you can see here for professionals. Okay, you can easily switch to business account. Just for example, you go creator tools and control. You scroll down, you can just switch account type to business account if you wanted to. Alright, so now that's how easily you can switch from personal account to professional account. For my case, a creator account. Okay, if you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.